Wahala dey, my people. I hear say them our police officers. They don't carry their madness again. Enter inside streets. So these people now don't begin go main road, go they harass passengers. They beat them, they extort people of money. I don't know because Christmas don't they reach. Now waiting they make them misbehave like this. This one now, one innocent boy, now they go and beat this guy. Because say they suspect say this guy na Yahoo boy. My people beg, they can join me watch.
Police carry boy now. They search her. They say me open phone. Now they force her go POS. Carry enter back. Police change cloth. Wear mufti. Carry enter back. Go POS. Go collect 25,000. The first they make transfer. Now they don't see any account bring come when want to transfer. They say they don't want to give an account. They call carry her now enter back. Go POS for Okene. One of the officers' name is Ogu Godwin. Ogu Godwin is one of the name of the officer. When carry on for Okene here, Kogi State. Refurbish police. Now they arrive for their healers. See them now. Not be say the boy do anything. They not say anything. They say they see laptop. They say the laptop now waiting till they do assignment for school. Now student TB. They force and they beat her. Force and put for back. Carry go ATM. Go withdraw money. Now make up be those drivers now park. Say this is not right. See what. Because they say why go crack on say one shoot. Look at what Nigeria police is doing to the citizens of this country. They force one of our passengers enter motor, go withdraw money for ATM. All the drivers park now say this thing is not right. He come now, they slap passengers. Why not do anything? So I go talk say why they go follow the boy go POS. Look at his face. Look at his face. He say go kill. He say blood go flow. If they not take time. He say last time a blood go share. This where we are at Kogi.
Our police I no still dey understand now. They think one that they find inside person account and I never talk am. How police go carry person make they go POS agent say one go withdraw money? I beg you work put inside the student account. I be which money you dey collect from? And me, I don't look this whole matter reason and say maybe because of the way the guy carrying haircut. Because they say fine, they check the guy phone, they no see anything there. Laptop when this boy in talks in a laptop when they used to do assignment. I beg go get police. What thing again you can't define? You do your assignment, put inside the laptop where be say you can't say they search and you define things. As you no can even see things, at least you allow the person go. You know say na travel, this person they travel. You allow her making they go on your own. No, you no stop from there. Come begin they shout saying blood go share. I beg which blood? The blood of Abraham, be which one you want shed? On top innocent thing. So until be say no be say this person even commits crime, he no even do on any wrong. Na come outside. They behave like mad people. But anyway, this matter as I carry and come, it sweets me. Because I said the police command for Kogi, they don't arrest the 4 police officers where they involved. And I see them this Mumu Agbero police because for my life I never see where police they wear a cap upside down. Even for NYSC camps, if you wear your cap, go back, say they go challenge you. Talk less of police of the law, you can't wear cap, wear and like say you be thief. Can't go they challenge people say you they do search and open up. Now waiting at the search up and down. I hear say they don't carry them these guys, but now say they don't dey inside police custody. But Oga Police, Mr. Commander in Chief, I need to ask a question. Hope say no be audio arrest, now you arrest them these people. Hope say you go make sure say these people say face the consequences. As we watch the video of this police they slap person, now so we say go like watch another video of you slapping them these 4 police because this one way they do it they wrong. And no be today our police don't they misbehave. We don't they complain. It be like if na hear them, and I go just talk okay we go do something. Last time I no go do anything. I go leave these people. I beg and this one make and find something to do. This matter don't they get out of. At least now students no fit dress again. People will be say they be musicians, they no fit do their head again. Before you go see, they don't accuse them you be a boy, you be cultist. Now wow, our Nigerian I don't know where they get now education from. Making a copy abroad, people on go see people go even dress like mad person. Police no go for once go harass anybody. But on our own, I don't know behind the dress now they attract on. I mean at the freshness now they attract before na go see una don't rush and you are under arrest and the arrest na money they call for. No be say na arrest, so be say na go carry person go jail, say last we make we release. On our own, they must pay something. I no know be na swear, they use and swear give on. Say if they never give on our money, na life no go better. But anyway, this one where they carry them, this one, it really sweet you. And I hope say that this one's now they go face the court of law. Anyways, my people, now this story now here now see make I bring and come. Make una stay tuned for our next story.